Today I'm showing you how to change this Ford EcoBoost air filter. This process applies to all of the EcoBoost engines fitted to most Ford models from around 2014 onwards. They all use the same air filter and there's only very slight variation in the design of the airbox. I'll cover that as I go through. You should change the air filter according to the schedule in the service manual. If you haven't got that, then change it at least once a year or 12,000 miles. A little more or a little less depending on whether you live in a very clean or a very dusty area. The airbox is situated in the front left corner of the engine bay, in front of the battery. That's front left corner in car line. Early airboxes have 4 screws that hold the lid to the lower half. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the corners, and you undo those with the T25 Torx. Later versions of the airbox, such as this one on this Mark 8 Fiesta, have a clipped lid. On either version there's no need to disconnect anything else. Either unscrew the 4 screws, which are captive screws in the lid, and lift the lid away, or undo the clips, lift that end, pull the lid slightly to the left side of the car to unhook these tags, lift away the lid using the flex of the air pipe, and it's then an easy matter of getting hold of the filter and lifting it out. Dirty filter on the left, clean new filter on the right. You can get reusable filters, the cotton gauze sort that require oiling. I wouldn't recommend any dry foam filters. In my rallying days I had problems with dry foam filters allowing too much dirt through to the carburetors, and I wrecked a pair of Weber 40 DCOEs. Very expensive mistake. If you're going to be keeping the car for a long time, the investment in one of those filters is probably worth your while, because all you'll need to do is clean it once every 20 or 30,000 miles. It's just a matter of dropping a new filter in and clipping or screwing the lid back on. If you got value from this video, please consider supporting the channel, and I shall see you next time.